Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Battle Royale in Call of Duty Modern Warfare. First, you'll want to launch the game and navigate to the Warzone section, which is where the Battle Royale mode is found. Once there, select your preferred squad size, whether you're going solo with one friend, two friends, or a full team of 4. This initial choice sets the stage for your entire match, so pick wisely based on your group size. After selecting your mode, you'll deploy from a plane high above the map. Use your parachute to control your descent and aim for a strategic landing spot. Look for areas that offer a good balance of loot and safety, avoiding hot zones if you prefer a calmer start. Upon landing, your immediate goal is to find weapons, armor, and ammunition. Scavenge quickly through buildings and supply crates to gear up for the fights ahead. As the game progresses, you'll inevitably encounter other players. When engaging in combat, always prioritize cover and use your surroundings to your advantage. Keep an eye on your armor plates. They are crucial for survival and can be applied quickly during a firefight. If a teammate goes down, try to revive them or use a buy station to redeploy them. Completing contracts scattered across the map can also provide significant cash and strategic benefits. The end game of Battle Royale is all about surviving the shrinking circle. As the gas encroaches, the playable area becomes smaller, forcing remaining players into close quarters. Focus on maintaining a strong position, ideally with good cover and sight lines. Conserve your most powerful kill streaks and equipment for these critical final moments. Adapt your strategy based on the number of remaining opponents and the specific terrain to secure that coveted victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.